Means, even if we do not call it faith exactly in his context, God does not need to see something for him to call it out. He just speaks by words and then calls it into existence. So that ability to craft, so after me, frame, kata, tiso. So he did not just call out. Because if you just look at the book of Genesis, you hear, and God said, let there be light. But the man that is speaking in the book of Hebrews is explaining that it went deeper than just saying it. That it is a crafting. So after me, a crafting. So when God spoke, work was done. It's a framing. The proof that it was beyond just saying something is that when God saw what he created, he said it is good. Is that not so? That means it is beyond a calling of something. It is a handiwork. So after me, a handiwork. So God, by a handwork, crafted creation. Meanwhile, he did it by speaking. So when he spoke by faith, he crafted. When he spoke by faith, he crafted. When he spoke by faith, he crafted. And that